In this video, we are going to modify default Android app templates.
This is Mayank Sanghvi and thanks for tuning in VLemon. In this video,
Every time when we create a new Android Studio project, Android Studio gives us an option to add an activity. This is the window where we are able to select an activity to add in our project. When you are going to add an activity from this window, the default color for those activity is this. The color primary 3F51B5 and the primary dark is 303F9F and the color accent is FF4081. This is the default color, and if I'm going to open activity main and this is the designer, inside this designer this is the default look and feel for our new activity. I want to modify this here. I want to modify the default app templates. Why? I am creating Android tutorials, and for all my Android apps I want the color or look and feel this. So this color is matching with my website color. So I want to modify, or I don't want to modify color files every time I created a new project. So whenever I'm going to create a new project, by default it is going to start with this color option. So how to achieve this and why I'm doing this? Just for the branding purpose, or let's say if you are watching a video, or if you are watching any video and if you are going to see this color combination, yes, definitely this tutorial is by Mayank Sanghvi, or this tutorial is available on vlemon.com. So only for branding, or every time if I'm going to create my new app, it is going to look similar to my website, or the color combination is always going to be same with my website. So that's why, only this is the reason I am changing the default app templates. Now how to achieve this? For this I'm going to first show you. I want to change this color.xml file values. So I'm going to open, and this is available here. See program files, Android Studio plugin, Android lib templates, Gradle projects, new Android module, root resource and values. So inside this, if I'm going to copy this path, and if I'm going to open Windows R, I'm going to paste this, and this is the default, this is the location from where our colors are coming for our new project, and this is the current. Let me open this. This is the current values available in this. So let me quickly copy this, or let me copy only these 3 lines so we can check the colors. Yes, the colors are matching. Now I want to change this color first. For this I'm going to open my website blog post, and the colors are available. This is the new changes. So I'm going to copy these new changes, and let me quickly open Android Studio and let me paste the new changes. Okay, so this is the new changes which I want. So now the primary color is 2A2A2A. Color primary dark is E3C800, and color accent is 81B7A. Now this changes is right now only in Android Studio colors.xml file. I want to copy these changes into our Android Studio template files. So I'm going to open this colors.xml, and it is open in WordPad, and I'm going to quickly paste the new changes, and yes, and I don't want this, so let me quickly copy Notepad, paste this first here, and then we are going to paste it here. Okay, so new changes is done. Let me quickly save these changes, and access is denied. We need to open this with root or admin access. So I'm going to right click, run as administrator. Yes. Okay, it is done, and I am to press Ctrl O, and then I am to copy this path and to paste it here, and I want to open all types of file. I am going to select colors, open, and let me quickly copy the entire code from here, and this is no longer required, so let me close this, don't save. And inside this WordPad, which we open with administrator privileges, I'm going to paste the new changes here, and then I'm going to press Ctrl S to save the changes. You are able to save the document text only format, which will remove. Oh yes, definitely. And before modifying this file, I want to quickly create a backup of this file. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Yes, continue. And a copy is created, and now I need to click on yes. Okay, so new changes are done. Let me no, I don't want to close this file, and let's see how it is going to be affect our new project creation. So I created this project before the modification of colors.xml inside our library folder for Android Studio installation. Now I'm going to create another project quickly, new, and I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to say modify template. I want to tutorials, and inside vlog I'm going to create this project and modify template, let's say 1, and then I'm going to click on new. Oh sorry, I want you to click on next. I'm not going to change anything here. I'm going to select empty activity, click on next, and finally going to click on finish. Let me open app, resource, values, and colors. See the before and after changes. It's not good. Oh, let me first close this. Yes, so this is before and after changes. And what we can also modify, let's see in blog post. This is about the colors, and let's see what we have in string.xml.ftl and style.xml.ftl. So let me open this. Let me quickly create a copy of both the files. Yes, continue, and I'm going to open this, Ctrl O, string.xml.ftl file, open, and this is about the app name. The app name is available inside your string, so let me click string.xml. So app name modify template, this is strings.xml.ftl. so if you are going to modify this, this string.xml file is going to be modified. And the last one is the style.xml.ftl. so I'm going to quickly open this in my WordPad also, and yes, I want to open this, and this is our style.xml file. This is style.xml file. So this is the app theme, and based on the backward compatibility is true if condition, if greater than 22, or based on the if condition, our style is going to be generated. So if you want to modify, if you're going to change anything here, your changes is going to be reflect in your this styles.xml file. And let's see what we have other in resource. We have mipmap.xxx HDPI. So if you are going to modify all these icons, if right now if I am to open mipmap folder, right click, show in Explorer, and if I am going to open this, this is the default icons for our new project. If you want to change this, you can change all the icon in this folder, and by default it is going to be start with this icon. So this is X, triple X, double X, X HDPI, MDPI, HDPI. If you are going to modify this default logo, then for your new project, the new logos is going to be reflect. If you are going to modify anything here, it is going to be reflect in your new project. So this is how you can modify the default app templates for your Android Studio. It is going to be reflected in your new project. Now what is remaining and what we are going to cover in next video? In our next video, we are going to create a new option for adding as an activity in Android Studio. So let's say I'm going to create a new, let's say my activity, and then I'm going to add it in our Android Studio installation directory. Then the new activity is going to be reflected in this video. So how to achieve this, I'm going to cover in the next video.